I finally had to go to Mark on my steer tire. If Mike would change it, I still have it on the tread. But well over half the tread. It was bouncing like crazy. Oh shit! What the fuck? Holy shit! I got that on camera too. I'm gonna see if he's alright.
Tweet those out. It's so much more satisfying. It gets you so many more followers. So that's good. All right. So anyway, in no particular order, let me talk a little bit about the Oscars. I didn't see the whole thing. A lot of people were asking me though on Twitter and various places, what did I think of Scott MacFarlane?
Seth.
And what's his name?
Seth.
Oh, Seth MacFarlane.
Oh man, I caught that. What? Accident. What'd you catch? This old guy hitting this guy. You did? Should. Should have it. Huh? I should have it. What happened? Accident. You did it? That old guy.
Found under a wagon. We just started going through the woods. The king said, take it all around and lay it over it.
Have a seat right here. Oh my God. Red Road 20, I need AMR and CDF to my location for a pedestrian versus vehicle. Pull over. Go around and pull over.
Well, I'm driving. What's going on?
Not much. I'm on the 22. Oh, man, there's an accident right there. Darn it.
Right where?
Right in front of me.
Holy shit!
Shit, here comes another one.